Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Best Buy account for my Best Buy rewards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bestbuy.com and press enter. Once the Best Buy homepage loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the sign in page. If you already have a Best Buy account, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check to ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. You should now be logged into your Best Buy account. To access your My Best Buy rewards, navigate to your profile. Look for the My Account section on the top right of the page. Click on My Account to open your account details. Locate the My Best Buy section within your account dashboard. Here you will find your rewards points and other account information. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure your internet connection is stable. Consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser if problems persist. Finally, remember to log out of your account if you are using a shared or public computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.